Fun facty. Have you ever heard the sound of thunder after a lightning strike? Did you know that lightning is actually faster than sound? Lightning can travel at speeds of up to 300,000 kilometers per second. That's much faster than sound, which only moves at about 343 meters per second in the air. Due to the incredibly high speed of lightning, we often see the lightning first before hearing the thunder. So lightning is indeed faster than sound. Don't forget to like, follow, and leave a comment. Is there another interesting topic you'd like us to discuss? Write it in the comments.